Alright, y'all boys, so we got the Hellcat up in the air right now. So we still got the resonators right there. So the mufflers is off type thing. So if we go down here, you know what I'm saying, this is what we taking off for the day, you feel what I'm saying? So he already working on one side. So we finna see how this gonna go, man. See if this jump sound louder than the scat. So y'all but let us know in the comment section what y'all want, which one y'all gonna pick. The cat or the scat, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so it's just got done and stuff like that. So we about to see how this thing sound. Boy, that thing sounds, that doesn't sound good as a bitch, boy. What the? That